Hello everyone and welcome to Marty Motoring. That edit you just saw was of my 2007 Lexus IS350. It was filmed right after some very heavy rain and flooding in the area, of which my car was affected by. Some of the plastic panels underneath fell down from the pressure of the water, I guess, and scraped and broke, and I had to repair them with zip ties and what I had at the moment. I actually have some clips of that, which I'll show next. This is one of the mounting points for this, and as you can see, it's ripped off. All this plastic stuff is gone. All the stuff that connects is pretty much gone, ripped. Alright, and after some more zip ties, here's the final product. We got that zip tied, we got that bolted, we have this zip tied because there was no bolt at this time. This is just for extra reinforcement. As you can see, it's not really that tight. It's just kind of to hold it up in the event that this fails. And also that is bolted up. Just double check that. There is some shredded hanging plastic, and as well as that side. There's some shredded plastic. There is this piece missing still, but as of right now, it is drivable. It's probably not the best thing. I'd like to get this piece replaced, but we will look at that at a later date. Here's some of the carnage from underneath the car that will not make it back on. That same morning when I repaired the car, after that I went out and did that little shoot. And although those pieces broke off the car and are no longer on, and I had to use zip ties and everything, the car is still in working condition. So I'm thankful for that. It didn't get flooded out or anything. The flooding was pretty high, but it wasn't that bad. So I just got off work, and today we are headed to the Lexus dealer to get a recall on this IS350. Apparently there's like a fuel line or some sort. I forget what exactly the recall is, but there's a recall that was sent to me in the mail. I'm taking this to the Lexus dealership to get a new fuel line. I think it is a fuel line. So that will be free. I'll get to get a loaner car, and they'll hand wash, hand dry, and vacuum my car. It's always a good time at the Lexus dealership. I usually don't go there for anything else. I did go there for inspection and pretty much just free recalls like the dash and door panels and things like that. I've had a good experience with them. I just think sometimes the prices are a little too high for things when I can easily do it myself or have friends help me, such as brakes, rotors, oil changes, things like that. Saving money is always nice because you can use it to do upgrades, mods, and all that fun stuff. So we're headed to the Lexus dealership now. Let's see what loaner car they give us. We're pulling up at Bobby Ray Hall Lexus. We'll pull into one of these service bays and get a loaner car. Alright, just picked up the loaner car at the dealer, and it is a 2018 Lexus ES. So let's see how it feels on the road. I think it's in eco mode, but yeah, front wheel drive feels a little different, I can say that. Everything is so smooth, well, compared to my car. I like it. The infotainment system's really nice on these too. It's just way more modern than mine. But yeah, drives nicely. We're gonna go see if we can visit my friend Matt that actually works at the Lexus dealership. I did a video on his Evo and his DSM Eclipse.
Lexus Cup here.
Oh, he's got his Lexus cup. I don't have a Lexus cup.
It's been since 3 o'clock.
This thing's freezing. This is awesome. I want one of these. Where can I get one of these?
At
Lexus
parts.
people only. Yeah.
No, parts.
Oh yeah, I have to go buy it for like $50. How much are these? Probably like 30.
No, 20.
20. All right, we just talked to my friend Matt, and we are leaving the Lexus dealer with the ES350. We had the edit, we had the Lexus repair, we had the drop off of the Lexus for the recall, and now we have this loaner ES350. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching Marty Motoring, where we're not afraid to leave a little rubber on the road.